Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the OKX Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the OKX Wallet application on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the login and sign up button. If you already have an account, tap on the login button and you will be asked to log in using either your phone number or your email address. You can also proceed with your Google or Telegram account directly. Once you enter your email or phone number, tap on the next button and you will be asked to enter the password for your account. Just type in your password within the given section and then tap on the login button. And now you will be logged in to your OKX account right away. In case you have set up a two-factor authentication, you will also need to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to either your phone or your email. And in case you have forgotten your password, just tap on the Forgot Your Password button underneath the password box and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the OKX application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.